How to request money on Venmo. If you would like to request money on Venmo, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Venmo application and just make sure that you are signed into your account. After you've made sure of that, just tap on the Venmo icon that you would be able to find there. Once you've done that, simply select the person to whom you'd like to request the money from. Once you select the person from whom you want to request the money, you can simply enter the amount you want to request, select your reason as to why you want to request, and tap on the request button right there. Once done, the request will be sent to the other person, and if they accept it, the money will be deposited into your account. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically request money on Venmo. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.